Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are well. Happy Pride Month, everybody, and it's kind of like Pride Week here in Toronto, so I thought, how fun would it be to post a whole bunch of Pride videos? And by a whole bunch, I mean like a couple of them. So sitting thinking about some video ideas while I was going through my makeup and clearing it all out, and then I realized that I have all of these cute, brightly colored Maybelline color correctors that have just been sitting in my drawer. I've never tried them. I don't know how they work. I always thought they looked kind of intimidating, especially being as pale as I am. I feel like I'm just going to turn out as a big old rainbow. Pride is a perfect time to be a rainbow, so I'm going to put these to the test. We're going to see how they work. I have a little color chart here in front of me on Pinterest that tells me what I'm supposed to be doing with them. Now, whether or not I actually do that will be another story. I also think some of these colors in here are way too dark. I don't think I don't think this is gonna work. I don't, but I'm gonna try it. We're gonna find out. But before we get into this color correcting madness, I just wanna let you guys know that if you click this little guy, this little bell down here, it's going to let you know when all of my Pride videos go up, which is really exciting. So click it. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to click that shiny red subscribe button. It won't bite. Alright, let's see how this goes. I just got out of the shower. I only did the makeup on my eyes and my eyebrows, so my nose is standing out quite red. Let's see if we can make this go away. So, according to this Pinterest color chart, green neutralizes redness, yellow hides purples or blues, purple eliminates unwanted yellow undertones, pink masks signs of fatigue. So I just put this one all over my face then. I don't think I have enough pink for this one. Orange hides deep discoloration. I feel like red is not for gals like me. I don't think I'm supposed to wear red. I thought that maybe the best way to apply these guys would be in a fun design like all those Instagrammers used to do a year ago. These came out I think about a year ago, and they've been sitting around in my drawer, and I'm excited to use these. I believe you can still get them. I checked the price. They're about $10 to $12 Canadian. I would, wait for sales. I always say wait for sales for drugstore products because everything always goes on sale. There's no need to buy anything in a drugstore full price. What color should I start with? I kind of wanted to do very Pride-esque design on my face. Alright, I'm gonna start with the scary red color first because why not? Alright, let's see what this looks like. Ooh, it's one of those ones where you twist it for 5 days before the product comes out. Ha! Oh, that's red. Oh my goodness, I don't think I even wear this dark of a color on my lips, let alone my face. Okay. I feel like this will be good near the hairline. We can blend it in well. Oh, that reminds me though. Before I put this on, I'm gonna put on a little bit of a primer. It's a mattifying, pore blurring, invisible finish. It's like the Professional, but a matte version. And the Professional is a primer. So, ooh, it's blue. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face because I don't want any stains or weird blending happening, and I think this might be a good idea. So yeah, for those of you wondering, this is the Professional Matte Rescue. It feels really good. We'll see how it works out. It's a review inside a challenge or something. Let's see. Let's start with little hearts at the top of my face. Okay. I feel like this is the perfect wand for hearts. Does that look like a heart, guys? Are any of you guys going to Pride this year? I know there's a lot of Pride events happening in August. Like I said, our main Pride event is this week, so I'm very excited. I'm all about Pride right now. It is Pride Month, but yeah, I know in Canada, a lot of us are having our Pride parades in August. I think Newfoundland, St. John's Pride is in July, at the end of July. Any of my newfies out there, you guys let me know. Tell me if I'm wrong. Maybe I could go to the parade like this. Little tiny hearts all over my face. Ooh. And maybe I'll put a big heart in the middle like this guy. Ooh, cutie. Ooh la la. And maybe I'll put them down this way. I don't know. I am not color correcting. If anybody clicked on this for an actual color correcting tutorial, I'm so sorry. But this is what you're getting today. I'm just gonna go for it. Aww. You know who I've been really into lately? Nicki Minaj. Barbie tings, that's Barbie tings. I feel like most of this video is gonna be me twisting up caps. Barbie tings, that's Barbie tings. Barbie tings. Oh, there's too much. I've seen people put this on Instagram and it does not look this dark on them. I'm gonna put the peachy tones underneath the red tones. Does it make sense? Not particularly. Oh, it's a lot later when it goes on. So if you're looking for a good light peachy concealer, this would be a great one. I'm hoping that when I blend all of these together, it's just going to make a neutral color. I'm fingers crossed that's what actually happens. Also, guys, I thought I would let you guys know, I'm very interested in doing more Disney themed song type videos. So if you know any creators that really like doing Disney singing on YouTube and might be interested in collabing, particularly if they live in Toronto or in Canada somewhere, I would love to, you know, collab with some people on some Disney stuff. Okay, what's next in a rainbow? Red, orange, yellow. We're gonna start the yellow right in the middle. Oh wow, this is quite light. The yellow is not nearly as pigmented as the other two. I have to say though, the consistency of these guys are quite nice. Like, they're very creamy. Yeah, the only thing is that I'm not blending it right away, so I don't know if it's going to, like, it feels like it's drying a little bit, and I don't know if that's going to be a problem later. If I'm going to have all these little tiny hearts stuck to my face, we'll see. This is bright. Oh, this is definitely going to get rid of any red tones. So this actually might be a great one for me to try out seriously. Cute, cute, cute. Am I gay enough yet? I think this one's going to be really great for some of the redness too. I feel like it's a nice lighter purpley color. Right between the brows. Oh, that kind of looks cute. I don't know if this is the best place for this because I feel like I have a lot of blue tones under my eyes, so I don't think this is a good place for me to be putting it, but alas, I'm sticking with the Pride theme here. I've also seen people put this purple color all over their face. I was doing a little bit of research before this video and I saw a couple girls on Instagram actually put a purple color all over their face before they put on their foundation. And I'm gonna put my foundation and stuff on after this, but I saw people do that and it just really helps even out the color of their skin. Like, it's really nice. Let's put some underneath, why not? So I'll have to blend it down anyway. These are X's. X's and O's, they haunt me. Let's try the pink one, and then I'm gonna fill in this little space by my mouth that I seem to have forgotten. This one's gonna blend quite nicely. Ooh, and this might work out nice because we're putting the pink down by the red, so maybe it will help even out that red color that I just didn't need in the first place. Maybe we could put, maybe I'll put one here. That would be cute, wouldn't it? My Cupid's bow. I'm a pride flag. A very, like, neutralized and dull pride flag. Like, if you put a pride flag out in the sun for too long. I don't really want to put any more red, so I'll put a pink one here. Because we still want this to, like, work out. I'll put another pink one here. Guys, if it gets dark, it's because we're having crazy thunderstorms today. We're having all these thunderstorm warnings. And it's a lot of fun. I love when we have thunderstorms because we don't really get them back in Newfoundland. Not like we do here. Chelsea, stop talking while you're trying to draw on your mouth. Do you hear that, guys? I don't know if you can hear that rain. It is nuts. We might get some thunder and lightning. Also, if the lights go out, I apologize. Okay, let's blend this out and see. I'm nervous. Should I start under the eyes first? Blend it downwards? Okay, let's try that. Oh no, guys. Oh. I think I let it dry too long. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Oh no. But now I think I'm just going to do some of this, maybe? And see what happens? I'm going to put some more of this on. Let's see how it blends when you just put it on. Oh god, it's so bad over here. Now I'm a purple person. Again, I apologize to anybody who came here for color correcting info. Hopefully I gave you some, and you know what? I'm actually gonna put up a chart. Here's this chart. If you guys wanna know how to actually color correct and where to actually put your color and such. There you go. Maybe some greens, because green combats red? Okay. Okay. There might be some saving it. When I was growing up, I was fascinated by my mom's, like, makeup basket that she had in the bathroom, and I used to always look through it, and I remember at the time she had this little container of different color balls. She would just run a brush through these different color balls and put them on her face, and it would, like, I guess, I didn't know what it did at the time. I didn't know how that worked, but I guess it, like, evened out the color of her skin. And I remember always wanting that. Like, I figured if I ever got to that point in my adulthood, I made it. If I got my own little fancy colored ball makeup. But yeah, I think I surpassed that today. I might have stained some of my hair red, but we'll see. Let's put some foundation over the top, see what happens. Might as well just use the same beauty blender. I wasn't going to, but look at our little rainbow guy now. He's a little mixed up mess. But aren't we all? Okay, let me go get my foundation. The foundation I've been using recently has been by NARS. I've been combining two colors together. The colors I have are in Deauville and Gobi. So I'm gonna combine these together. As per usual, I just put 2 pumps of Gobi on the back of my hand and 3 pumps of Deauville. And we're gonna use this to cover my face. Oh! Guys, this might work. Now, mind you, this isn't the, like, best sponge I've ever had because it is, like, just a Forever 21. My favorite makeup sponge is by Quo. It's their purple sponge, and it is so good. I'm gonna need more foundation. Okay, my skin looks so flawless that it almost looks like not my skin. I'm gonna go and finish up my look. I'm gonna bronze myself a little bit because this looks a little pale. Finish up my makeup and I'll be right back. Woo! All right, okay. I feel like my lights are making my makeup shine a little bit, so with this lighting, my face looks a little bit paler than it does in person, but in person it matches perfectly. I have never had such flawless skin before. Like, my makeup has never looked so full coverage before, and I am so impressed. I'm so impressed. I really didn't think that was gonna work that well. Wow, now I feel like I should just go and do my hair and actually try for the rest of me today. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna try this out again without the red color. If I ever have any big events coming up where I need to, like, dress up to the nines, I will definitely do this. I also put on a ton of highlighter to be, like, extra Instagram worthy. What do you guys think? Before we go, I just want to add one more, like, super over the top gay gesture, and I got this incredible box from Buxom. I haven't used any of these yet, but look at this. I have, like, a rainbow assortment of holographic lip glosses. I'll put one of these on now over the lipstick that I have on, and the lipstick I have on right now is by Shui Uemura. It's a Yazbuki collaboration they did, and it's in the color Coral Dance. It's a matte color, so it's gonna work really well with the gloss. Let's do this fun, like, frosty color because it reminds me of the 90s. This is in the color Selena. Oh my god, this looks so cool. This looks truly holographic. Let's test this out. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Holy cow. It smells so good. Okay, well, if I wasn't ready for Pride before, I am now. I think this makeup tutorial definitely represents the LGBTQ plus community well. We got lots of colors underneath. You may not see it on the outside, but it is definitely there on the inside. It's a part of us, but, you know, sometimes we let a little bit of it shine through. Okay, well, I'm pleased. Well, I'm feeling particularly fabulous. I'm so glad I tried that out. That's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial slash review slash fun get ready with me for Pride this week. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys are all having an amazing week. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of my Pride videos, be sure to click that shiny red subscribe button. It won't bite much. Who knows? Try it out. You might like it. I hope you all have a safe and happy Pride whenever your Pride event may be, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Bye! so happy with this. Ugh, I look fabulous.